Hey guys, this is Ryan Gallagher and welcome to this video. In today's video, we're going to be playing some soccer with a twist. I'm going to be doing that. So on the net, there's a crossbar, one post, and another post. It's right over there. And so basically, once I hit those three, I'm going to go outside to my backyard, and I'm going to hit 3 front flips. And let's go. Hope you guys enjoy it. Here we go. Oh, that I was trying to aim for the post. Didn't work out. Trying to hit the crossbar now. Post. Let's go. All right, so I'm not gonna go up. I just hit one. Now you hit the other 2. Crossbar. Let's go. The last one is the other post. Oh, dang it! No, I didn't hit the right post. No. Come on, guys, come on. Give me some luck. Oh, wait, I'm gonna bring you guys with me. That was so close. Oh my God, that was flipping close. I was gonna replay on those 2 nasty hits, but the last one's gonna be really hard. So yeah, it may take a little time, but hopefully we just hit it right now. When I put you guys back on, if we just hit it, this is gonna be so funny. Here we go. Oh, I don't want to do that again and again. No. No, this can't be happening. This can't be happening. This always happens to me when I'm doing other soccer things. It always happens to me. I hit the crossbar in the post, and the last thing, it takes a long time for me to hit. So, hopefully, I hit it in less than a minute. I'm running out of breath because I'm so happy. Come on, please. Come on. Alright, you can't have it. Can't happen. No. That would be cheating. I'm not going to move. That's going to be cheating. So, I just wanted to hit the trash and then hit it. That's what I'm really hoping for. Oh, see guys? That's the thing that's messing me up. Oh, wait. There you go. That's better. It was a little crooked. The goal is a little crooked still. Oh, come on! Come on. This is hard. Oh, it hit post! It hit post! I swear. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I heard the ding. I'm not kidding. I heard the ding. Oh, if you guys don't think, I don't know what you guys are thinking, but joke's on you guys, because it hit it. Oh! I got myself for a minute. Oh, my dog needs to go away. I'm going to let my dog in. Alright, this is my dog. He changed. Oh, jeez. He's scared. He's the creepy one. I'm going to let my dog in really quick. Guys, oh. Dude. Wait. Here you go. This corrupted video. Alright. We just hit the crossbar. The post. So, I see to hit the front flips. And we're gone. And then we're yeah. So, here we go. Oh. See you guys right there. Ow! Oh! Oh, that kid was ow! Oh my God! Oh, but I'm good now. Okay. Here we go. Oh my god. Alright, first front flip. Man, that's my dog barking. He's a mean one. Alright, first front flip. Oh, we landed it. Oh. Alright, 2 more. Oh, I almost landed it. Alright, if I don't land it, it doesn't matter. So 1 more. Ah, oh, I'm getting to. Alright, landed it. Alright, guys. Alright, I'm gonna go in my house. It's so hot out. If you guys are in your house right now and you're watching my video right now, it's gonna come out like later on today. So if you guys are watching it, you guys are lucky. I'm out here in like the hot weather. Oh my god. Oh. Okay. Alright guys. That's the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoy it. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh.